My morning started with a bit of a mess. I had many papers on my small office desk. My pens were everywhere, and I couldn't find my keys. I felt stressed because I was going to be late. My friend Ben came to visit me for breakfast. He saw my messy desk and gave a small smile. "Lana, your desk is like a small paper mountain," he said. I laughed because it was true, not a lie. I wore my cozy sweater, but I felt very tired. Ben always has good ideas for organizing things. He likes to call them life hacks, very smart tricks. "I will show you some easy life hacks," he offered. I was happy for his help. I needed it today. He took a clear plastic container from his bag. It was empty and looked very simple to use. "This is for your pens, pencils, and small items," he explained. I started to put all my pens into the container. It felt good to see them all in one place. My desk looked a little bit cleaner very quickly. Ben also suggested to make a list for my tasks. My memory is sometimes not very good, I forget things. "Use colorful sticky notes for important reminders," he said. He showed me a small pack of bright yellow notes. I took one and wrote "Call Mom" on it quickly. I stuck it to my laptop screen so I could see it. This was a very simple and very useful idea for me. Ben is always so organized and so very practical. My desk was slowly becoming a nice place to work. I felt a small wave of calm washing over me. The morning chaos was slowly turning into order. I thanked Ben for his quick and clever tips. He said there were many more small tricks to learn. Life hacks can make every day a little bit easier. I smiled, feeling more confident about my morning. The sun shone into my home office from the window. My messy desk was slowly getting a new life. Ben waited patiently, ready to share more knowledge. My day was definitely starting to look much better. These simple changes made a big difference for me. I was ready to learn more amazing life hacks today. After organizing my desk, we went to the kitchen. I wanted to make some fresh orange juice for us. I took 2 oranges from the small fruit basket. Ben saw them and showed me another quick life hack. "Roll the orange on the table before squeezing," he said. I rolled the orange with my hand, pressing it gently. Then, I cut the orange in half and started to squeeze. So much more juice came out than before, it was magic. I was very surprised by this simple, clever trick. "This helps to break the small juice cells," Ben explained. My glass was full of fresh, delicious orange juice. "Thank you, Ben, this is a wonderful hack," I told him. I also had a large bag of open potato chips on the counter. The chips were getting soft because the bag was open. Ben saw them and took a small clothespin from a drawer. He folded the top of the chip bag very neatly. Then he used the clothespin to close it tightly. "This keeps your chips fresh and crispy," he explained. My kitchen was full of small problems and clever solutions. I felt like a chef with many secret cooking tricks. We sat at the kitchen table and ate our breakfast. Ben drank his juice and looked at his phone briefly. He showed me a video about storing fresh herbs longer. "Wrap them in a wet paper towel and put them in the fridge," he said. This would save me a lot of money on fresh parsley. I always threw away old herbs because they died fast. My kitchen was becoming a more efficient place. I looked at the organized desk from the kitchen door. It made me feel calm to see everything in its place. Ben has a natural talent for making things better. He is a true master of daily life hacks for everyone. I finished my sandwich and felt full and happy. The rain outside had stopped and the sun was out. My day was full of small but very useful discoveries. I learned so many new things in just one morning. I decided to try more life hacks in my daily routine. Simple tricks can make a big change in life quality. My kitchen, once messy, felt like a smart space. Ben finished his coffee and smiled at me. My home was becoming a place of clever solutions. I told Ben I was planning a small trip next week. I wanted to visit my sister in a different city. Packing my suitcase is always a big problem, I confessed. My clothes always take up too much space inside. Ben immediately offered another smart life hack for packing. He went to my bedroom and opened my empty suitcase. He took one of my t-shirts from the drawer. "Do not fold your clothes, roll them very tightly," he said. He showed me how to roll the t-shirt into a small tube. It took up much less space than when it was folded. I tried it with another t-shirt, and it worked perfectly. "This is genius, Ben," I exclaimed with a lot of joy. I could fit so many more clothes into my small bag. He also had a tip for my small toiletries for the trip. "Use small travel-sized bottles for shampoo and soap," he advised. "This saves weight and space in my suitcase for other things." I had many small empty bottles that I could use. Ben helped me fill them with my favorite shampoo and conditioner. My suitcase was looking much more organized already. I felt very excited about my upcoming trip to my sister. "Do you have a trick for tangled necklaces?" I asked him. He thought for a moment and then showed me a simple straw. "Put one side of the chain through a straw," he explained. The necklace would not get tangled during the long journey. This was a very unexpected but incredibly useful hack. I put my favorite silver necklace through a drinking straw. It looked funny, but it was a very smart solution. Ben smiled, happy to share his endless knowledge. He always finds simple answers to daily problems. My bedroom, usually a place of packing stress, was calm. I could not believe how much time these hacks would save me. My trip was going to be much more pleasant and easy. I thanked Ben again for his patience and his good ideas. He said that a good life hack is a simple gift to share. The sun was shining brightly through my bedroom window. My suitcase was half full, but with much more space. I felt like a smart traveler, ready for any adventure. These small tricks changed my approach to daily life. My home felt smarter and more efficient with every tip. I was ready for my trip and for many new life hacks. Ben and I walked to the supermarket to buy some groceries. I always spend too much money on things I don't need. Ben showed me his phone with a digital shopping list. "Only buy what is on your list, Lana," he advised. He also told me to check for special offers and discounts. He said that planning meals helps to save money too. I started to write my own shopping list on my phone. It was a useful trick to avoid impulse purchases. We walked through the store and bought only necessary items. My shopping cart was not full of unnecessary snacks today. Ben had another hack for choosing fresh fruit and vegetables. "Smell the melon. If it smells sweet, it is ripe," he said. I tried it with a yellow melon, and it smelled amazing. I also learned to check the firmness of avocados carefully. These small tips help me buy better quality food. At the checkout, my bill was much smaller than usual. I felt very proud of myself and my new shopping skills. Ben smiled, knowing that his advice was very helpful. "Life hacks are not only for home but also for shopping," he said. We walked back to my apartment with lighter bags. I felt a sense of accomplishment and financial smartness. My wallet was thicker, and my fridge was full of good food. We put away the groceries into the kitchen cupboards. Ben showed me how to store bread to keep it fresh longer. Keep it in a dark, cool place, not in the fridge, he said. This would prevent the bread from getting hard too quickly. I thanked him for his endless supply of clever ideas. He is like a walking encyclopedia of useful tricks. My life was getting simpler and more efficient every minute. I felt less stressed about daily chores and tasks. Ben helped me see the world in a more practical way. The sun was setting, painting the sky with warm colors. My apartment felt like a hub of smart living solutions. I had saved money, time, and a lot of energy today. These small life hacks were changing my whole life. I decided to make a special life hacks notebook. I wanted to write down all the clever tips I learned. My day was full of learning and positive changes. Ben smiled, happy to see my enthusiasm for these tricks. I was ready to embrace a smarter and more organized life. After dinner, Ben and I sat in my living room. We drank some hot herbal tea and talked about the day. I felt completely relaxed and very happy with everything. My desk was clean, my kitchen was organized, my trip planned. All thanks to Ben and his amazing life hacks. He showed me a simple trick for cleaning my microwave. Put a bowl of water with lemon slices inside, he said. Heat it for a few minutes, and the dirt will wipe away easily. I was amazed by how easy cleaning could be sometimes. We also discussed how to keep shoes smelling fresh. Put dry tea bags inside your shoes overnight, Ben advised. This would absorb the bad odors completely from the shoes. I had many old tea bags that I could use for this. My life was full of small problems that now had solutions. I felt like a super efficient person because of these tricks. Ben said that life hacks are about making life simpler. They help us save time and focus on important things. I realized how much time I wasted before today. Searching for keys, cleaning for hours, packing badly. All those small moments of stress were slowly disappearing. I am Lana, and I am learning to live smarter every day. My home felt like a calm and efficient space for me. The evening was peaceful, and the city lights shone. Ben stood up to leave, as it was getting quite late. I thanked him for the wonderful day and all his help. He smiled and said he loved sharing his knowledge. See you soon, Lana, and remember the sticky notes, he joked. I hugged him and waved goodbye from my front door. My apartment was quiet, but it felt very active and smart. I looked at my clean desk and the closed chip bag. These small changes made a huge impact on my mood. I went to my bedroom and started to pack for my trip. Rolling my clothes was so easy and very fast for me. My suitcase looked neat and had plenty of space left. I put my necklace with the straw carefully inside. My future travels would be stress-free and very organized. I felt very happy and content with my new simple life. Life hacks are a true gift for a busy person like me. My day of learning small tricks made a big difference. I fell asleep dreaming of a beautifully organized world. I woke up feeling rested and ready for a new day. My sticky note reminded me to call Mom today. I made my orange juice with the rolling technique. It was already a natural part of my morning routine. My kitchen was clean, and my breakfast was easy. I felt like a master of my own small universe. I called my mom and told her about my organized life. She was very happy to hear about my new habits. I shared some of Ben's life hacks with her on the phone. She loved the idea of rolling clothes for travel. My mom is also a bit messy sometimes, like me. I felt proud to share these clever tips with her. Later, I walked to the post office to send a letter. I took my shopping list from yesterday with me. I remembered to only buy what was written there. Saving money felt good and very empowering for me. My morning started with a bit of a mess. I had many papers on my small office desk. My pens were everywhere, and I couldn't find my keys. I felt stressed because I was going to be late. My friend Ben came to visit me for breakfast. He saw my messy desk and gave a small smile. "Lana, your desk is like a small paper mountain," he said. I laughed because it was true, not a lie. I wore my cozy sweater, but I felt very tired. Ben always has good ideas for organizing things. He likes to call them life hacks, very smart tricks. "I will show you some easy life hacks," he offered. I was happy for his help, I needed it today. He took a clear plastic container from his bag. It was empty and looked very simple to use. "This is for your pens, pencils, and small items," he explained. I started to put all my pens into the container. It felt good to see them all in one place. My desk looked a little bit cleaner very quickly. Ben also suggested to make a list for my tasks. "My memory is sometimes not very good, I forget things. Use colorful sticky notes for important reminders," he said. He showed me a small pack of bright yellow notes. I took one and wrote "Call Mom" on it quickly. I stuck it to my laptop screen so I could see it. This was a very simple and very useful idea for me.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.